For today's little adventure, we're going to be building the Lego Creator Set 3-in-1 number 31157, the exotic peacock. It's 7+. There are 355 pieces. This set came out, I don't know if it was last year or the year before. It's 2025 now, so it either came out in 24 or 23, I don't remember. I actually bought it a while ago, I just never built it. So I'm gonna build it today. Anyway, so we've got the peacock, you can do a dragonfly, you can do a butterfly. I like all three of these, so I will be happy to use any of them. Okay. This side just says Creator 3-in-1, components made in Denmark, Mexico, Hungary, China, and the Czech Republic. Warning ticket has small parts, not for people 0 to 3 years old. That's what we know. This one has the peacock. You have the butterfly with the flower. You have the dragonfly, looks like it's maybe on a lily pad. And it tells you like what a little piece looks like. And then we have this side just has the peacock. And the bottom of the box, you know, lego.com/apps. And all that other fun stuff. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the box. Should we look on the back? We don't look on the back yet. I'm slow. Okay, so we got, you can close the peacock's feathers, you can open them up, which is kind of cool. I don't think the butterfly can really fly off the flower, but it's a cool concept. And then you have the dragonfly sitting on a lily pad. Okay, now we're gonna open the box. See how many bags we have. 1, 3, and 2. So we have 3 bags. And then you've got your books, the butterfly, the dragonfly, and the peacock. So we're gonna go ahead and open bag 1. Bag 2 and 3 will wait until later. There's that one. There we go. So we're gonna start building. Finished bag 1, and we've got the main body of the peacock. As you can see, you got his beak and his feet, and you got the base part of his tail right here. You got the top of his head, because there's a little bit on top of their head. So I'm assuming bag 2 is some, I think bag 2 and bag 3 are just the feathers. I don't think there's more than that for him that I can think that was on the box. It was really just his feathers. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do bag 2 next. part, and then we've got the other small bag inside. Alright, we're gonna start building it back. Finished bag 3, which was these feathers here. And you can tell it's kind of lopsided now where it kind of leans over because of that. So here's the back of the feathers, there's the front of the feathers, and I'm pretty sure bag 3, or sorry, finished bag 2, we're on to bag 3. I apologize, I said the wrong bag. But I'm pretty sure that bag 3 is just the other 3 feathers. I don't know what else you would add to it. So we'll go ahead and open bag 3. And only one bag. Interesting. And we'll just finish up. Alright. Finished bag 3. So we now have all of our tail feathers, and they have this part here to kind of help keep it supported. Now, if we want, we can put our feathers kind of to the side, like this, and that way they're down. So you either have them like this, which is how a lot of peacocks are. Most peacocks, especially, well, they're all male peacocks have these kind of feathers. Male peacocks don't normally put their feathers up unless they want attention from the female peacocks, or if they're kind of getting ready to show how macho they are to the other peacock males. So anyway, thank you for joining us for today's little adventure, and please join us for our next today's little adventure.